right now, guys, I'm with the family. And it's Judy's vlog today, guys. And we're going to Hong Kong. This is the challenge, guys. This is the biggest challenge. Ito, kain lang. Basta may food, eat.
Can't believe we survived all the immigration without Yayas. It's Mark and the kids and I. Hinila namin si Jay and my brother. Kami-kami lang today, guys. That's why hindi kami nakapag-vlog simula kanina hanggang sa immigration.
And this guy is so kulit.
Say hi.
Bye.
Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Mati, you forget something.
What?
You forget something.
What?
What days? What?
Happy Father's Day, Daddy!
Happy Father's Day!
Father's Day today! Say Happy Father's Day to Dad! So, Happy Father's Day! Literally celebrating Father's Day by being a present dad today.
And we're going to Hong Kong Disneyland!
Next time, kukuha tayo ng yaya na may passport.
I'm Matthew. In today's video, we're going to Hong Kong without Yaya because they don't have passports.
Say good morning, guys!
Good morning!
We just landed!
Welcome to...
Welcome to Hong Kong!
Hey, say hi!
How are you?
Oh my goodness!
You can sit if you want.
say good morning.
Where are you right now?
Let me take a photo of you. You wanna be a pilot?
Yes?
Oh, you asked the pilot na.
Say thank you.
Thank
You just have to study really hard, okay? Finish your education and listen to your parents.
Oh.
Alright, thank you. Say
You
thank you.
high five to the Wow!
Alright.
Thanks,
Wow,
guys.
thank
Thank you. So, here is the start of my vlog. We're finally in Hong Kong! So, ayun guys, nailaban natin ang Manila to Hong Kong. The real challenge begins now sa pagta-travel with kids with no yaya. But at least, nandyan si Tito JM to help us carrying stuff, ganyan. Pero kaya yan, kaya natin yan. Ayan, say hi, Shops! I'm so haggard. Our flight was 7 AM in the morning. So imagine, nagising ako ng mga 3 AM. Nagkasikaso ng kids, ng mga bagahe. Life of a nanay. Okay, Hong Kong crew!
Hey, yo!
Hold dapat, mabilis. Here's Tito. Hi. Patty, you're such an expert with trains. So guys, ito ko nagagamit yung Kaizen ko. Nakakabuhat ako ng mga luggages na mga lalaki. Thanks, Kaizen. So, away update guys. Medyo slight pa lang. Medyo malapit pa lang.
Father's Day today.
Yeah,
so,
happy Father's Day.
Bigyan niyo na muna.
Slightly magagalit na sana ako sa kanya kasi last night, ang usapan namin was he will help me pack all our luggages. But then again, as his usual self, mas inuna niyang makipagbarkadahan. At nag-stay siya doon for until madaling araw. So, diba? So, bilang Father's Day ngayon, sige lang, medyo ipunin natin yung galit ko. Chill muna tayo today, chill. Mr. Colette.
I'm super happy!
So, naiwan ko yung maleta, ay yung stroller ni Lamati. Galit na naman sa akin yung nanay niya. Stroller update, guys. So, nakuha na. So, are you enjoying, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's that? What are you eating?
Banana.
What?
Banana.
Banana. Hi! So, we're still waiting here kasi 2 p.m. pa yung check-in sa aming hotel. We already ate sa Cafe de Coral for our first meal here in Hong Kong. And then, we got snacks from 7-Eleven kasi malapit lang yung hotel namin sa area where a lot of restaurants are. So,
Hi, my name is Mati. Papa is Makaida, and we're in Hong Kong, and we're in the bedroom, and we're a family. This is Mommy, this is Daddy, this is Shava, this is Tito, and this is me, and this is me.
Hi guys, this is my kids. And Mati will be practicing his vlogging skills.
Yes, I'm practicing my GR skills.
What? So guys, I cannot. These 2 kids are so kulit.
dirty and shove it. Let's try.
Hi guys. It's so cold today.
And are you tired? What happened today?
Yes.
Give a little
We
recap.
go to the airplane and I drank C2.
Then that's why you're like that. You're so kulit.
Hi guys, and we are in Hong Kong in the next video. This is Shove, and this is me. This is Shove. This is me. We're in Hong Kong, Disneyland, and this is the luggage. And this is Tito and Jemmy. This is Mom, and this is me, Mati, Makaida. And see you in the next video.